Hey, y'all. So I just want to bring up two things. I've been seeing on a few TikTok lives that there are Palestinians telling non-Palestinians who are using their voice in support for Palestine that their voice is not as important as a Palestinian voice. Oh my God. I literally cringe. Y'all, stop telling non-Palestinians that their voices are not as important as ours. Yes, we should be uplifting Palestinian voices first. Everyone is welcome in our movement. Everyone's voice is just as important as ours. Stop telling non-Palestinians that their voices don't matter in this movement. We need everyone's voice. Please, for the love of God, stop doing that. Secondly, if you are a non-Palestinian and someone asks you, what do you think, one state or two state solution? Please respond with, that is up to the Palestinians. Do not put in your input on whether there should be a one state or a two state solution. Please, just say that is up for the Palestinians to decide. And I mean the Palestinians that are living there. That is up for them to decide. And as always, from the river to the sea, Palestine will be free.